Hey, in today's video, we're going to be taking you down the Rose Trail located in Cherokee, Alabama. Today, we are heading to our local Harley Davidson dealership. It's Natchez Harley Davidson in Tuscumbia, Alabama. We live in North Mississippi, and that is our closest dealership. The Rose Trail is located right off of Highway 72 in Cherokee, Alabama. It is out of our way to travel to get to Natchez Harley Davidson, but it is such a pretty ride. It just adds some scenery to the day's travel. On this day, there were several boats out on the lake. You have your fishermen, you have skiers, and you just have people cruising the lake, enjoying the weather. It was a very beautiful day. It wasn't too warm. It is starting to cool off here in North Mississippi, so we weren't having a very hot day today. It was very nice weather. The Rose Trail follows the Pickwick Lake or the Tennessee River, whichever you prefer. This trail is full of twists and turns, wooded areas, fields, pastures. There are some beautiful lakefront houses on this trail also. You'll see some in the videos. It is a pretty quiet ride for the most part. I don't think we passed but one or two cars on our ride. My husband and I have been riding bikes since we were 18. He got his first motorcycle when he was actually 17, when we were dating, and we have been riding since. We got our first Harley in 2019, and we have not looked back since. We love the Harleys. This is our third Harley. It is a Harley Davidson Road Glide Special, and he is in love with it. It has had several modifications to it. I don't know what all has been done to it, but it is a beautiful bike. He loves it. I love it. He has put a new seat on it for us. It's a gel-filled seat. It is very comfortable. That bump right there actually turned me sideways in my seat. I'm trying to wiggle back straight. It was actually a couple years ago. We rode down to South Haven, Mississippi. We had a street glide at the time, and we hit one of those dips in the road that you don't see until you hit it. And I came off my seat. The guys that were riding with us said I came off the seat probably a foot. And when I landed, I broke my tailbone. It was a rough ride home, I will tell you that. Called the doctor, talked to the doctor, and she just couldn't help but laugh at me. She said, "Really?" She said, "There's nothing I can do for you." She said, "A broken tailbone just has to heal." That was rough. I haven't had anything like that happen since. That bump was nothing compared to the tailbone bump. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed our scenic ride down the Rose Trail in Cherokee, Alabama. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.